Hey guys, welcome back to Geeks. In this video I'm going to show you how to get community tab on YouTube. So YouTube community tab is a tool that enables creators to access their viewers and audience more easily by sharing pictures that talks about their personal lives or anything that is related to what they are making on their YouTube channel, making polls, uploading behind the scenes of their videos, right? So to get community tab on your YouTube channel, you'll need to have a minimum of 500 subscribers. So once you meet this threshold, it usually takes 7 to 14 days for community tab to appear on your channel. Then once it appears, now you can go ahead and create or make community post with your audience. So guys, you only need 500 subscribers for you to get community tab on your YouTube channel. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.